That's right, and there's a lot to track, so let's get straight to it. I want to give a breakdown of everything that we're watching and then get to the things that I really want to talk to you about because there's only so much time and there's a lot to talk about. So we have two named storms out in the eastern Atlantic. We have Hurricane Helene and subtropical storm Joyce. Neither of those are going to bother us, so we're going to skip past those. We also have a disturbance that could form in the next 5 days near Bermuda. There's a low chance of that, so we will skip on past that for now. Let's talk about Tropical Storm Isaac that moved kind of in between Martinique and Dominica earlier. This is moving into the eastern Caribbean, and the forecast for Isaac moves this through the Caribbean and then possibly into the Gulf toward the northern Gulf Coast, places like Louisiana keeping a very close eye on this storm. So that is something we'll be also watching for you. There's also disturbance with a medium chance of development in the Gulf right now that could bring quite a bit of rain to the Gulf Coast of Texas and into Louisiana. That will not be impacting South Florida. And then all eyes on Hurricane Florence, currently a very strong Category 2 storm. Just to put this into perspective for you, its winds currently at 105 miles per hour. A Cat 3 has winds starting at 111 miles per hour. So this is still a very strong Cat 2. It's forecast to continue moving toward the coast of North Carolina, making landfall late tonight, early Friday morning, and then it takes a dip to the south and moves through South Carolina over the next couple days into early Sunday morning. And this is why flooding rains are going to become such an issue. This is a very slow moving storm, kind of hanging out over the Carolinas and then up into the Appalachians for quite some time. So a bit of rain could lead to quite a bit of flooding as it's over the same place. You can see that turn there. It does lead off into the northeast. It gets kind of sucked up by the jet stream. Life-threatening storm surge also could be associated with this storm along the coastal Carolinas. So still a very dangerous storm. For us, the impacts that we're feeling from Florence, very rough seas. There's a high surf advisory in effect for our area beaches, a high risk of rip currents, and we also have a small craft advisory for boaters. So I want you to all be very careful and take heed of that. We've got some rain around right now. Showers beginning to push inland through Palm Beach County. West Palm Beach has gotten some rain as well as Wellington, and we've got rain over 95 and the Turnpike. The sea breeze will continue pushing those showers inland as we head through your afternoon, and then most of that will be west of our area by the later part of the afternoon. It's going to keep heating up. Highs today in the lower 90s, feeling more like the triple digits. Rain chances right around average Friday and Saturday, a little bit below average on Sunday, and then 30 to 50% as we head through the middle of next week.